Welcome, student. Let us continue with the lesson, that is notice. Okay. Now, here is the conversation between the two or three person of the school. The first is receptionist said, "Hello, Girgaon Times." Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning. I am Vishwa Ajinkya from New Vision School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist, just a sec. Means receptionist said, stop for a while. I will do inquiry, and after that I will give you a message. Teacher said, thank you. News editor, hello, Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher said, so the teacher's name is Shashank, okay? Teacher said, fine, how are you? News editor said, fine. Teacher said, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from a New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor, I see. Teacher said, the semicolon means the speech is speaking through this person, okay? For that purpose semicolon is used as a showing the dialogue. Teacher said, our idea is to make our student aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all school to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor, oh, well. News editor said, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. It should get a good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher said, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor said, fine, I have made a note of it. Teacher said, thank you very much. So this is the conversations between the news editor of a newspaper and the teacher. Here the teacher invited the person of a newspaper so they can cover this event and publish this event in their newspaper. So the teacher's name is Shashank, okay? And receptionist name is Ajinkya. So the news editor said that there is a function on the Sunday at 10 morning. So he has some other work at that time, but uh, that work will keep aside and give the importance to this event of the school. Okay, this is shown in in this conversation. Okay, now in the next, the student pass on the message to their parents. Here a sample. So these events are given on the notice board for all the students. So students pass on the message of the notice to their parents. So here is a one conversations of a student, that is the mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. So the name of the student is Samir. What's the occasion? The parents said, what's the occasion? What is the event today? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There's a functions to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of the 7th standards are invited with their parents. So the student in this notice is in the 7th class. Okay, where is it? In the school assembly hall. The student said to their parents. How long will it be? Parents again asked another questions. So he will give another answer. That's about an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. So the invitee is the school, but this student give more information about this event to their parent, that there is a Mrs. Naik is the inaugurate these events. I see. What's the project about? Another question from the parent. Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So the event was that the students are going from or visit a place to place for their social works, and after that they will explain their experience or their work in that events in the school on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, mummy. Let us see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will be accompanying you. So mother share his view on this event which is going to place in the assembly hall of the school, that she or her husband or a father of that Samir both are not present at the event, but one of them will be with Samir for that event. That would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked for all the students to tell their parents about it. Mr. Ajinkya is the teacher of the school, and he emphasized that all the parents of the students must come for this event. So this is also conversations between the mother and her child. So here these notices are come to an end, and we have studied this all the notices. Through the notices we come to know that how one should stick or make the notices. Now here this lesson completed. Now we have to do this English workshop that the passage contains for the different types of invitations. So now students, you have to make the invitation notice for for another subject, that is a formal invitations, B a notice, 3 an oral invitations, and D another oral invitation. So these are the subjects which are given to you, and you have to make the different notice. Read each invitations carefully, keeping in mind the list of the 8 questions given below. Note the answers in your notebook. Verify that verify that the formal invitations A cover all the 8 points. So these are the questions, and you have to give the answers referring to the A, that is the formal invitation. These are the column and a row that the points are covered A, B, C, D in the horizontal, and while vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to cover these questions, that is the 8 questions. You have to give the another answers of the each question, that is the B, C and D. You have to follow that A. Prepare a formal invitations for the functions you have arranged at home. It should clearly state that at the following points. Okay. Write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. That the function may be different, so you have to invite your friends on the telephone. Imagine someone has invited your family to a program, and you were the only persons at home when the invite was given orally. Now you have to write down a note, that is the part to pass the message to the other people in the family, and the write an imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parent. Okay. So student, here you have to complete this exercise or English workshop which is given on these pages and send me a photograph on my personal number. Now in the next lecture we are going to start the next lesson, that is a college. Okay, and in these lessons we have another experience of the Mr. Swami Vivekananda, that is how they are said that they are the strong cultural mindset, and he sat on the rock and used to make a dhyan on this rock. So there they are built a new temple, that is Vivekananda Shila Smarak by Eknath Ranade, by collecting the money from the society. So here is the experience of college of Swami Vivekananda. And Vivekananda had his own previous name, that is Narendra Datta, and later on, after being a sannyasi, he got the name that is Swami Vivekananda. So here is the picture that that shows the Vivekananda Shila Smarak in the Hindu Mahasagar. Okay. So there are points which are given in this lesson that you have to read about the Swami Vivekananda. Okay. Now we will stop here. चार्जिंगला लावलेला आहे.
तेच सांगते तिथं लावून उपयोग होत नाही त्याचा. इकडे लावून जाईल. पिन मध्ये घासून घालून दे पप्पाला.